Wagwan, my beautiful people. Thanks for stopping by and True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So this channel is all about knowing Jamaica, where to go, when to go. But today I will take you on a tour from Balaclava, which is in St. Elizabeth, to Nice River, which is in Manchester. I would say it's on the border of Manchester and St. Elizabeth. So guys, keep on watching. And if you're new to the channel, please like, share and subscribe if you learn something about our sweet and our beautiful island, Jamaica. One love. Blessings of people.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back.
Welcome to the channel, guys. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So right now I am in Balaclava St. Elizabeth, giving our tour in a small town here. Yeah man, you don't know, so there's an update on St. Elizabeth and the Balaclava area. Yeah man, so this is what Balaclava town look like. Very small town, not a busy town. So if you want on a breadfruit, breadfruit and the yellow breadfruit, you can come in at the Balaclava town area, you know. Very nice and quiet town. So this channel is all about Jamaica, my people. Many different places to go, when to go. So you're stopping on the right channel if you want to know about Jamaica. Also you have a pharmacy in the Balaclava area. On your right will take you on to St. Paul's. And also in Balaclava, if you want your best jerk pork and jerk chicken, yeah man, you can come in the Balaclava area. Yeah man, know a lot of person know that jerk place here. Yeah man, so this is the jerk place right across from the old train station, I think. Yeah, but you kind of close to the still. So yes, so you can get on the jerk pork, jerk chicken, and also the peanut porridge. A lot of persons heard about the Roger Clark High School. If you make the left turn, will take you all to Roger Clark High School. On your right you have the Balaclava Baptist Church. when you're in Balaclava, it's about 35 minutes drive to Manchester. If you want to go to Santa Cruz, it's about 25 minutes to Santa Cruz. So when you're driving in this area, you have to look out for some potholes. Yeah man, and see a chop a tire and it will cost you. So this route can take you all to Comfort Hall, Evergreen in Manchester. Manchester, them have a river them call named Nice River. Yeah man, so you need to come a Nice River, come take a nice swim, nice bath also. I don't know the reason why them call it Nice River. I don't know if because they make a lot of noise, but I don't know if you visit Nice River. Yeah man, as you can see the sign, welcome to Oxford, Acton Belly Chai, Mile Gully Williamsfield. So this road will take it right there. So I'm gonna make a left turn. Yeah man, to take on the right to Nice River, my paper. loving people them who watch the channel. Enjoy the tour with Fire Reid and a tour guide. Yeah man, so we're at the Oxford area in Manchester. Yeah man, so I don't know, say think it's right on the border. I don't know if the river is on the border. Yeah man, so we're in the Oxford area. Like we're gonna have some rain today. It's a bit overcast. Also, if you want your supreme ventures, yeah man, you can get it right over in here in the Oxford area. Very looking nice community. Big up all of the Manchester people them. Manchester we say. Trust me, this place is so beautiful. So welcome to Nice River, guys. Yeah man, so we're in the Nice River at the moment. It's a very quiet day in this area. Very quiet day. A lot of persons not at the river today. Yeah, you know Jamaica fully open again, so everybody gone to school, and today is not a weekend, so not gonna have much people in this area. So guys, thank you for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.